What's going on, guys? Walter here with the Black Dow, and I want to jump into a couple of really important things that are going on in the news and making sure that you guys are aware of some of the things that I think is important to look out for, and just making sure that you are on the ball with what's going on. So first and foremost, we did have the Evergrande situation, and a lot of this was based around FUD. We've seen this with China time and time again, but there is very important information that's going to that you can see when this kind of stuff happens, and I want you guys to be aware of it. So we can kind of see this direction of a lot of governments and centralized entities trying to control what's going on with cryptocurrency and trying to get a hold of how things are going to operate in the future. Now, with that being said, there are going to be some opportunities that come out because there are ways that other people like myself and you and whoever else can use different tools like automated market makers or AMMs in order to validate their transactions, in order to transfer tokens, in order to have that kind of flexibility and freedom. And one of those big plays that I believe is going to be happening in the future as we continue to see this happen is going to be Uniswap. And if you can actually see here, so right now today the market is down 4.2%. Bitcoin's going pushing towards 40K. Ethereum's about 2,800, and you can see everything's kind of in the red for the most part. But when you go to Uniswap, you look here, everything's in the green. It's green for 7 days, green for 24 hours, and green for the 1 hour. And you might say, well, why is Uniswap in the green? I think that this has to do with because Uniswap is a decentralized automated market maker. It's a decentralized way to do to transfer tokens. And since it is decentralized, if the government tries to shut it down, it's extremely difficult to do so. Even if they shut down the website, there's still ways you can actually validate those transactions or get those transactions done. And so because of this, I think that this is why this is going to go up. And if this trend continues, you can expect Uniswap to go up in the future. Again, this is not financial advice. I personally have my own position in Uniswap from probably about 8 or 9 months ago. I haven't added anything. I don't plan on adding anything. Just for transparency's sake. But I do want to talk about the educational component of this, where people who are smart with their money are recognizing that Uniswap is the opposite of what the government is trying to do. So the Evergrande situation, China banking situation, all these different things where the government's kind of taking a foothold in things, you can kind of see that this is kind of an opportunity for you to possibly play. Now, another thing that I think is really important is going to be on the Ethereum mining pool. So because of China's continued grip on trying to eliminate cryptocurrency or trying to control cryptocurrency, you can see that there are large mining pools that are actually beginning to shut down. So we read the title here, Chinese Ethereum mining pool B pool to shut down following crackdown. The firm move came just after Spark Pool, another top Chinese Ethereum mining pool, also announced it was suspending operations. So let's just read the first couple of sentences. Actually, we'll read the whole thing. It's pretty short. So B pool, the world's fourth largest Ethereum mining pool in terms of hash rate, will suspend all its services to miners starting on October 15th at 4 p.m. UTC time, the company said on Tuesday. For now, the China-based mining pool operator has suspended registrations for new users and new subsidiary accounts for existing users, according to a notice on Bpool's official website. The company said it is halting its services due to regulatory and compliance concerns from last week's crackdown by the Chinese government. There we go. The People's Bank of China, the country's central bank, intensified its crackdown on cryptocurrency, declaring crypto-related transactions illegal. So there you go right there. This is exactly what I was talking about. The move came just after Spark Pool, another top China-based Ethereum mining pool operator, announced it would be discontinuing operations as of September 30th, citing similar reasons. Profit margins for Ethereum mining have widened thanks to cryptocurrency's bull run, the deflationary effect on its price from its recent technical upgrade, that's the EIP 1559, I believe it's called. And EIP is just Ethereal Improvement Protocol, I believe. So that they made an improvement. You can look that up if you want to kind of see how they made that improvement and how they're burning some of the tokens in order to increase the value indirectly. And so let's see here. And so some miners have quietly resumed Ethereum mining operations in mainland China after it was banned by the State Council of China in May. And just to close this out, I want to also say that with the change in this mining operation, one of the things that you have to be aware of as well is that Ethereum 2.0 is coming. And when that comes, they're going to move over to staking. So what's going to happen to all these miners? No one knows, but the staking opportunity is a huge opportunity for everybody. And I encourage you to, if you don't already have it, to try to start accumulating that 32 Ethereum. If you get 32 Ethereum, you can run that node and you can generate that residual income, 6, 7, 8, 9%, whatever it might be. And that could be really, really beneficial to you in a long-term play for yourself and your family. Now, if you don't have that 32 ETH, I want to show you guys one really cool opportunity here. And this is another project that I actually invested in that I really love their idea. So this is called Rocket Pool. And so pretty much what Rocket Pool is it's a way where you can actually stake on Ethereum in a decentralized way, and you don't actually need the full 32 ETH. You can actually have a less than 32 ETH and you can still stake on the pool. So if you're interested in something like that, I definitely recommend checking this out, doing your own research and seeing if this is something that might be an option for you here. So that's all I want to talk about with you guys. A little bit news update. Uniswap, I think it's going to be a big play in the next coming weeks, months. And also, if you don't already know that we're moving towards staking in Ethereum, and just be aware that don't believe in the FUD, do your own research and don't read the headlines. And because if you do, you can be caught up in this whole sell panic thing. And also, you guys, as you guys know, this is not a trading channel, a day trading channel. We're looking to invest in long-term strategies, dollar cost averaging, things of that nature. So I hope this was helpful. I hope it was beneficial. I look forward to talking to you guys again here soon. And let me know in the comments below if I missed anything or if you have any questions. I love talking to you guys in the comments section. All right, talk to you guys again here real soon.